right, good morning, Bravehearts. Dr. Sage Wolfe here with my wonderful practitioners. We are out here in Duluth, Minnesota. We're going to be heading to go do some non-surgical in the next hour, but we decided to go for a morning cold dip first. I'm going to the dock first.
You going up here? Today's October. Oh my God, is it cold today?
It's cold today.
It's colder today. It's the air outside is colder today.
Good morning, everybody. Just get comfortable when you're uncomfortable. Stay in that breath and rock that day. It's chilly.
This is the first time I've ever done this. I lived in Minnesota my whole life and I've never done this.
It's go time.
Unstoppable today.
Slow and steady, guys. Slow and steady.
Why is it colder today? Why is it colder today? Oh, Hannah! You bit my knee!
Just stay in that breath and know who's in control. We are. Anything from about a minute to 3 minutes is going to be fantastic for your body for a stimulant. Anything over that, we don't want to put you into a little bit of like a hyper shock. So just go to where you're comfortable. Like, I'm almost done here. The more you breathe, the more you slow yourself down, the more you'll stay in control. It is cold. Just gotta breathe. Literally 4 days ago, these girls were saying how they hate cold, ain't gonna happen. And then we choose. It's all about choices. You choose to better yourself. You choose to challenge yourself. And start your day off with a little bit of cold. What can be harder than that? The dogs seem to have no problem.
Well, I kind of feel like I've been rubbed all over by peppermint now. Did you behind the water?
Yeah, just get under real quick.
I splashed my head. I couldn't do it.
You did it!
Ooh, that was good.
Yeah.
Good.
All right, Serena, the mosquitoes are coming out. Hurry up. Good morning, guys. We hope you have a beautiful day, and we will see you on the next one.